Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out the 8th coin in a series of 10 for the £5 commemorative coins of the Queen's Beasts. And today we're checking out this one, which is the White Horse of Hanover, which is a 2020 dated coin and only the second 2020 dated Queen's Beast coin. So only two more to go after this one. And this is how it's presented in the Royal Mint hang-bag, front and back. But of course I'm going to do my usual thing now where I open mine up, so that if you've got this coin and don't want to take it out of its presentation, then you can see how it's all presented inside. So that's how the presentation looks now that I've taken out the inner card from the outer housing, and we'll come on to this in a second because that's got the coin specs on it. The only difference now you'll see is the fact that we don't have the 8 of 10 in the bottom hand corner. So again, over to the back. So we're going to check out how it's all presented inside now, and I'm going to do my usual thing where I just scan along, and if you want to have a read of anything and I'm moving too quickly, then of course pause it and have a read at your own pace. And then we've got a little bit there about the designer, who is Jody Clark. And background to the back and the front. So before we check out the coin itself, let's have a look at the coin specs, which is on the back here, just to the side of this information. So we'll just have a read of this. At Her Majesty's the Queen's coronation in 1953, 10 heraldic beasts lined the entrance to Westminster Abbey. The Queen's Beast collection from the Royal Mint explores each of these creatures in turn, a fascinating insight into the strands of royal ancestry they represent. Royal Mint coin designer Jody Clark, creator of the current definitive portrait of Her Majesty, has created each design in the collection. So let's have a look at the coin specs. So the denomination is £5, the alloy is copper nickel, the weight is 28.28 grams, diameter 38.61 millimeters. The quality is brilliant uncirculated, and then the obverse and reverse designer, as mentioned just by there, is Jody Clark. Then you've got the awesome images there of the Queen's Beasts. So now let's check out the coin itself. So we'll start off as usual by having a look at the obverse of the coin. So there we go, both sides are designed by Jody Clark, but of course that is our standard 5th portrait of the Queen by Jody Clark, £5. So there we go, that is the reverse of the coin, and it's dated 2020 of course, White Horse of Hanover. Now just so you can see more of the detail of the coin, I'm going to tilt it towards the light, but because of the white carded background it's probably going to flicker, but it'll allow you to see that coin in a little more detail. Look at that, absolutely stunning. There we go. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of the 8th coin in this series. Just 2 more to go now, and I also want to know how many of you have been collecting all of these. And if you haven't seen the previous 7, then I'm going to link in the description below the other coins that I've made videos on so far. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button, because I release coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.